Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Grab support. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Grab application on your mobile phone. This is my Grab application, and then I'm going to show you how we can contact the Grab support. If you want to contact, we can go to our account right here, and we're going to scroll down until we find support menu. Okay, and here you can go to the help center or you can share feedback. And the first one, I'm going to go to the help center. If you face a problem on Grab, you can go to the help center and then you can ask Grab to solve your problem. And here you can go to the search bar and then you can find help, or you can go to the solution based on your activities. This is the solution from a Grab based on your activities. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to open up this information. How do we report our driver? Okay, guys, and actually guys, you can change the language for the help center. Just go to the language right here. My current language is English, but if you want to change it, you just need to go to this menu. Okay, and you can find more help by clicking on this option, browse by service, or you can choose common problems. For example, I'm just going to choose common problems, and then I'm going to choose, for example, accident and safety. Okay, and this is for the related to this transaction, or you can report an accident guys to the Grab. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the support menu, and I'm going to show you about share feedback. Okay, if you want to share your feedback to Grab, you can go to this menu, and I'm just going to click on the good review. Okay, and it will bring us to the Play Store or Apple Store, and we'll be able to share our feedback to the Grab. Okay, or guys, if you still need the help, you can go to this menu, call us. Okay, and then you can call the Grab center to help you to solve your problem. Just click on call like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to contact Grab support. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.